So over these next few slides, I'm going to give you a scenario and you get to decide, is that weather and it's short term and it can change and it's just like a very short period of time, or is it climate and it's been years and years and that's just how it is at that particular place. So then after you watch this, you're going to go through and I'm going to give you a couple scenarios in Canvas that you need to respond to and decide if that is weather or climate. You just type in your answer or record it however you want to submit that. So a 7-day forecast. So it's giving me this week. You get, snow, we have rain showers, some clouds, some possible sun. Is that climate or weather? That one is weather, right? Is that period of time? And we've all watched the weather, and then I'm like, oh, it's supposed to snow today. And then I'm like, wait, it was really sunny, right? It can change. Things can happen. The wind can blow. It can move storm systems different directions. So weather is something that can change. So that 7-day forecast is just predicting what they think it will be like over that period of time. Hey, so if we're getting a tornado, so is that weather or climate? So there's a tornado happening. That is an example of weather. That is a weather element. It is something that comes and goes. It is just a short period of time. So yes, you could live in a place where you can expect tornadoes. So here in Utah, we don't expect those a lot. Where in the Midwest, you might expect them a lot, but it's a weather element. So it's something that, hopefully the tornado is not there forever. So weather is tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes. Oh, earthquakes, not weather. Ignore that. I don't know why I said earthquake. I was just thinking natural disasters. Okay, next up we have the average rainfall in Seattle over the last decade. So a decade is 10 years. So they're telling us how much rainfall we can expect. They're basing it on data from 10 years. So that one is climate because they're telling us a period of time. Seattle is generally a rainy place. So when you go there, you can expect to probably get rained on. However, I've been there and it wasn't raining, right? Weather can change, but climate, we were prepared for it to rain because it's generally a rainy place. Antarctica has an average temperature of -12 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. So is that weather or climate? Is that something that changes, or is that something that is over time that's been happening? Someone is climate because it is consistent, right? That's the average. It happens continually. It's constantly doing that same pattern. They're using patterns to determine the climate. Okay, so you are not doing a Kahoot. You are going to go ahead and in Canvas answer a few questions that I've put in there. Is it weather or climate?